Hi everyone, it's Nathaniel here from Boy Blue. Just had a great session. What we worked on today was really good foundations, understanding bounce, understanding grooves, and just creating a nice silhouette of choreography where they were able to just have fun, enjoy, but also show their personality. They're a great bunch. They're full of life, they're full of energy, and they're just so hungry to learn. And I love the fact that they're able to kind of come in and just take in whatever myself and the other teachers are giving, and they give 110%. I did Youth Fest last year, an incredible experience. I think it's great for the current generations to come, to be able to come and have fun and be able to learn from great creatives, great teachers, and great leaders that are in the industry and paving the way. I've had a really great time doing this first class. So yeah, man, I'm here, Boy Blue's in the house. Let's do it.